Alright, what's up? I had a request on one of my other videos for James Arthur's Say Won't Let Go. Now I know what you might be saying. Why would you make this when there are literally 100 other tutorials on YouTube? Well, because someone asked me for it on one of my videos. So, as promised, here it is. We're going to capo 3rd fret. Alright, standard tuning. We've got 4 chords, simple open chords. G major, D/F sharp, E minor, and C major. We're going to play this with our fingers. Although you could strum the song, we're going to learn the actual plucking pattern. So the only tricky chord for the beginners out there might be the D/F sharp. I may have avoided it for a while. I'm not sure when I was starting guitar. But it is very key to learning a lot of songs because it's in a ton of songs. Pop, rock, blues, country. Blues maybe not so much. They do use it in Eric Clapton a couple times, Eric Clapton tunes. So you're going to put your index finger relative to the capo, the 2nd fret, 6th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. A lot of numbers there. And we're going to, if you were to strum that, you would tilt your index finger back so that you would mute that 5th string, okay? That's a D/F sharp. All that means is it's a D chord with an F sharp in the bass, okay? So now let's jump right into it. We're gonna play a G, but we're not even gonna play the whole thing when it comes to the fingerstyle part here. So we're gonna put our middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, relative to the capo, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. We're gonna use our fingers here. We're gonna start with plucking the 6th string, and then we're gonna pluck with our index and middle, the 3rd and 2nd string. So we're gonna go just like that. And then we're going to lift up the 3rd finger so those 2nd and 3rd strings are open, and we're going to pluck 6, 3, and 2 together. So, just like that. Bum, bum, bum. And then we're going to go 6th string, 3rd string, 6th string. Alright, so this is kind of how I would play it, and it's pretty close to exactly what's on the recording. So this shape, and then those are separate, and then 6, 3 and 2 together, nothing on the 3rd or 2nd string, and then 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd string open, back to the 3rd fret, 6th string. So let me play that again. And then we're going to go to the D/F sharp. We're going to put our index finger here, 2nd fret. Well, I already explained that, so you can rewind it if you need to see that again. So then we're going to do the same thing. Pluck the 6th string by itself, and then 3 and 2 together. And then you're going to pluck 4, 3, and 2. And you're going to lift up your 3rd finger, and you're going to go, you can keep your index down, and you're going to pluck the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string together. So let me play that part again. So, alright, and then you're going to go, right, so you really don't need to hold down the index, because then at the end of that, alright, again, you're strumming after you pluck. You lift that 3rd finger up, and you pluck 4, 3, and 2, and then you go 4th string open, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, back to the 4th string open. So far we've got okay, and then we're gonna do E minor, right? But here's the cool part about E minor is we don't even have to have anything down but this. So we're gonna put our 3rd finger back on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and we're gonna go. So we're going to go 6th string open, and then we're going to pluck 3 and 2 again with our index and middle, and then we're going to pick that up just like that, and we're going to pluck 6, 3, and 2 all open, no fingers down whatsoever. So, and then we're going to go 6th string open with our thumb, 3rd string open with our index, back to 6th string open with our thumb. So let's go over those 3 chord structure things again, or 3 parts again. So. That up. Let me do that again. Now what we've got is the C. I'll show you this little slap thing too here in a minute. Kind of gives it a percussive feel in between each of those parts. And then C, but we're not going to use our middle finger at all. So we're going to get a C shape, but you don't even have to hold down the index. So 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, index, 1st fret, 2nd string. And we're going to go same pattern, except we're going to pluck the 5th string by itself, alright? And then we're going to go 3rd string and 2nd string. And then we're going to pluck them all 3 together. just like the other one, only no open notes the second time around when we're plucking. So third fret, fifth string by itself, 3 and 2 together with the index and middle, and then all 3 of those together. And then you go thumb on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and then you go and you pull off. So I pluck the 2nd and the 3rd string together with my index on that 1st fret of that 2nd string, and then I pull off. What you do is you kind of let it snap out from underneath your finger. So when you pluck the 3rd string, it's just ringing. But that index that was on the 1st fret, 2nd string, you have to let it pull off and snap out from under your finger. You can almost go pull it straight down and let the 1st string catch it. Now if you're going like this and you just lift up, it's still a pull off, but you don't get the presence of that 2nd note, the pulled off note. All right, so you got to go. Right, so I would hold that finger down, but I was just giving you an example of a good pull off. Okay, I let the next string, the string just below it, catch my finger. So that means I'm continuing to apply pressure as I pull off. I'm not just lifting up. I'm pulling off, almost like a rubber band snapping out from underneath my finger. So, just like that. I did it a little slower than I should have, but. Okay, so let's recap. That is literally the entire song. All right, so down now, if you got that down and you wanted to do this kind of percussive thing in between, you go, and I just kind of like take these fingers and kind of tap them against there, right? Right after that 2nd pluck, so, and then you pluck all 3 of them, the 6th, 3rd, and 2nd. So. Pretty cool song, and I can actually see why a lot of people want to learn it and why there's a million views on every other tutorial. Once again, I know this is like one of hundreds online, but I hope it does help for that one person out there. I just want to provide some value for some beginner guitar players, and yeah. Let me know. I could go a little slower next time probably, but stay tuned. I'll give you guys some more of these, kind of a one-off. I did a couple higher production ones, but this one was just kind of a quick one on my phone. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Hit subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Make some suggestions below. Check out some of the higher production ones and let me know what I could do better on those as well. And I'll see you guys next time.